Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel, Septera 18. Before I go ahead and share with you these projects, I just wanted to say a happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Here in Australia today, it is Mother's Day, and if you are also celebrating Mother's Day somewhere out there in other parts of the world, I want to also say happy Mother's Day to all of you lovely ladies, and hope today is a special day filled with lots of love for all of you. I just had my breakfast this morning with my beautiful family as well. So I wanted to thank my girls, my partner, and their partners for giving me a wonderful breakfast today. So I'm now back here in my craft room to share with you these gorgeous projects. So not too long ago, I had mentioned that I was going to do a Shabby Sunday series where on a Sunday I will upload some shabby projects of mine, as well as part of Kerryanne's design team, and sharing with you some of her projects on my Shabby Sunday series. So I thought I'd start that today and share with you my design team project for Kerryanne, who is Shabby Art Boutique. And I'm going to also link down below her Etsy store if you're interested in purchasing any of her instant downloads. They are absolutely beautiful, full of shabbiness and just so pretty. I'll also put down below the link to Kerryanne's other design team members for a Shabby Art Boutique. If you also want to head to their YouTube channel and have a look at their beautiful creations, and also to give you some inspiration and also some tutorials for you that they have also shared on in their channel as well. So these projects that I'm going to share with you just turned out really beautiful. Again, I use the Spring Snippets collection, but you can use any of her collection to make any of these simple projects that you may want to also make that similar to what I've made. So let me go ahead, and I want to share with you the first little project. And I made an embellished tag, and it just turned out really cute. I laid it with some of these ruffled parchment paper and some crochet style trim, and this is one of the images in the collection. I also done a video with a sneak peek with what's in this collection as well, with some of the prints that you will receive if you purchase the kit, and I'll put that link down below to that video if you wanted to have a look at the what you get in the kit. But you can also head to her store as well and have a look at the complete collection. Now in the back here, I did some layering with some of the paper strips. I'm not too sure if I have it here. So in that kit, there is a sheet which is like these washi tape strips that you can print on a sticker sheet or a labeled printer, and then you can just cut them out and then peel them off your sticker sheet, and they will look like washi tape. And these are just some of the prints that you get, and they're just really shabby and so pretty. So I had done that and cut the strips out and then just sort of layered them on top of one another and place it on one of the tags. So you can see these are just some of the cute printed strips. Put some enamel dot there and just some cotton strip material to create the tag. So that turned out really cute. I then made these two, one small one and a larger size. So that's a small one, and this is the larger size. And these are the, let me just show you. So this is one of the background images, and then I fussy cut some of the images in her elements, so the fussy cut sheet that you get. So there is a fussy cut sheet with all of her gorgeous images, and then there is a file with her background prints. This is some vellum, and then it just opens up this way with a Velcro dot, and I've placed one of the pockets that you get in the kit, and then I just cut out the pocket and adhered it to the back of one of the background papers to create like a little mini pocket ephemera folder. And I've got a couple of the fussy cut images in there, really cute little mice and a butterfly. This is a piece of some of the scrap background papers left over. I just tore that and folded it in half to create like a little note, like a note card or somewhere just to write a few little notes. And there is the pocket, and then there is also a file tab. I just placed that on the top to decorate the little ephemera folder. This is some seam binding. I just decorated the side of the closure. So I just keep all of the little scrap pieces and use them to create little note cards and fold them in half and then place them in the pockets. So that is the small one. So that's a smaller pocket, and then there is also a larger pocket as well, which is inside this one. So it's a nicer, a larger size. I've got one of my paper ruffled flower embellishments, and I have these available in my shop. Get a pack of 6, and they're packaged in one of my book page envelopes, which you could reuse. I just added some other pieces here, a dolly and like I don't know, what do you call these? They're like a spray, I think. And I just place it at the back. A ruffled, fabric ruffled. It's one of the little bluebirds that you can fussy cut. This has also got a Velcro closure with the vellum, so it's got, you can still see through the vellum, and that opens up to the larger pocket. These are some more the fussy cut elements that you get to fussy cut. Some tags, a beautiful lady, and these are some more the scraps that I had left over, and one of the other fussy cut images. I just placed a little brad at the back, and then you can keep these and keep them together, and you can use these to make for clusters or to do some collaging. These are just some of my coffee dyed paper. So just stack them all together and put a brad, and then keep them in your little folder in here, so then you can use them, you know, for your other projects. So this is the larger size, and that's the larger page tab divider I placed on top. I made a lace paper clip just to decorate the pocket. So you can see these are the 2 different size pockets that you will get. So you can see it's a cute little smaller one, and this is the larger one. And these are really easy to make. So all I've done to make these, I'll just put these to the side for now. See if I've got one of the pockets here. I have one of the smaller pockets here, and you just cut around the edge and fold the 3 sides in. That'll create your pocket. And then I just grab one of the background papers. I've got this one here. I did print one on a cardstock to make it more sturdy. This is the paper one, but this was printed on the cardstock. So all you do is you grab your little pocket, and depending on how wide, you just want to give extra width, longer than your pocket, and also give it a bit of height. And all you do is you just fold them in about 1 inch in. I'm just going to fold this one just to show you. You fold that in, and also depending how high you want your pocket, you'll just place that in the middle, glue the 3 sides down, and then place that in the middle like that. Once you've glued that down, then this part, you got this part here, you just add your vellum sheet to the back and glue that to the back of this. So that will create your cover, and then this part will then close over the vellum cover, and that's how you'll get this. I'll show you the larger size, and that's how you get this part. So this part will be this part here, and then you've got this part is this part, and then you're going to glue your vellum sheet to the back of that. And then I just place another piece of background paper here to cover the vellum so you don't see the glue, and I also added a dolly. And then you've got yourself your cover and your closure. So that's how I've done that. So they're the other 2 little pocket ephemera folders and the little tag. I then made one of these. Let me just put these here. I made a tag ephemera folder, mini folder, and I did a tutorial, my recent video, where you can make these using any of your tags or cut parts, and I did the same thing but with one of the tags from the kit, and then I embossed the tag, and then this is one of the beautiful ladies in the front. I did some embellishing, added a little snippet cluster. I just used some of my little fabric snippets to create a little cluster. and attach one of these cute little rhinestones to add a bit of sparkle. It's one of the butterflies. This is one of the labels, and then this is one of my word sentiments, and then I just inked that up to make it more shabby. And then I use the Gorgeous Lady fussy cut element to create a front tuck pocket with one of the other tags with a beautiful scalloped edge, and that's the embossed tag that I emboss using one of the background papers. Then it opens up this way to a side pocket for another place to add your tags or other of your element pieces. And then over here is another pocket with another tag, just to show you what you can add in the pocket. And this is one of the flower elements that I also fussy cut. Another file tab. I just did some cheesecloth to the back, so shabbied up the background papers, and then that just goes in there. And I'll put the tutorial for the tag mini folder for you if you're interested to make one of these. So that was the other fun little project I made. I also made a couple of fun little pockets. These are very, very easy to make, and all I done, let me just show you. So these are just little pockets, and I did some embellishing, added some trim, and then inside here is a journaling spot that I've made, and I embellished the front. So this is a coffee dyed paper, some more of the prints from the kit. And then I did stitch all around the edge, and that's the pocket that I made. And it's a good size pocket. You can also add this inside your journal as a floating pocket. And this is the other one. Again with another collaged journaling card. So that's cute. So that's the other pocket. So to make these pockets, it's so easy. And I'm going to show you how I made it. So in the kit you get, there are these, I think that, I'm not too sure what size they will print on your papers, but you'll get 4 of these to a sheet, and all you do is you just cut it out, so you'll get 2 pieces. Let me see. So this is one of them. In one, you get this in the, I think it's this one here. So that's this one. So you're going to cut it out like this. Then you're going to fold it over in half. And again, I did use some cardstock, which is a bit more sturdier. Let me see if I got some paper. So you're going to fold it in half. And I'm just going to grab this piece here. You're going to grab some of the other background paper, and you're just going to measure the height and just fold it over again about 1 inch. So 1 inch in. I'm just going to tear this. It is very easy. You can make a heap of these too. So I'll just fold that over. So it's probably about 2 inches. It doesn't really matter. All you want to do is you want it enough that it'll be the same height. And then you're going to bring that in. Actually, that's probably a little too wide because I don't want to cover the beautiful image. So about that much. And that's going to get placed in here like that. And that will cover the other side of your pocket to create that pocket. So what you'll do next first is you open that up. You're going to glue along the bottom here with a bit of glue. Seal that off, and that will close the bottom part. You're going to glue all along both these sides. Slide it in here and glue that down. And that will close this side, and there you will have yourself a nice pocket, and you can choose whichever side you want to create your pocket. So that will be closed up, and that will be glued. And then I just angle cut this down a little bit just to decorate the pocket. As you can see, I've cut that, and you can cut it any which way. You can cut it that way in an angle or that way, and that's how I done these ones. And then I just sort of added a trim to the edge, added some fabric pieces before I glued the side down, so you can do that. So that's just another fun way to make some pockets using the journaling spots for these, and you can make 2 pockets out of one on one sheet. And look how great they turned out. Just turned out really pretty. And they're great little Happy Mail gifts as well. I also then made a cute little journal, cute little pocket-sized journal. Just used an elastic trim as my closure, and this is one of the little bunnies. Just made a simple journal. I didn't want to do too much to the front because I did like the gorgeous images here on the front. Just added some lace along the binding, added a bit of some trim and a little dangle there. And then this is the inside. Made a little tuck spot with some fabric, with some lace as a tuck pocket in here, just like that. And these are on the tags, some of the leftover papers. Actually, I made this into an envelope, this one. So that's an envelope. It goes that way. So all I've done was just fold it into three, then glued these three sides to create a little envelope. So that's that. This is one of the other images. Added one of the page tabs. I did some stenciling with some of Tim Holtz Distressed ink. And added some little clusters with my little fabric snippets. I have some fabric snippet packs in my shop as well, if you would like to purchase the little snippet fabrics. Some more background paper, a book page. I made that into a little pocket. Some more of the beautiful background paper. Did some more stenciling, coffee dyed paper. And this is also one of the background papers in the kit. And some more. That's a beautiful lady with the bunny. I placed that in the middle of the journal. And then this is the other side. And this is in the kit you get a sheet with some strips of the images. So I'll just cut that strip down and use that as part of the flip page. So I added that there. And this textured sort of paper is from Topology. If you wanted to purchase some of these gorgeous soft paper fill sheets, I'll put the link down below to Topology, and you can also use my discount coupon code. And there is another pocket here with one of the tags. It's a cute little bunny on the kit. I just fussy cut that out. Some more of that background paper. It's just a cute little booklet, and it opens up that way. Isn't it just so beautiful? I love the print. It just makes your journal look so pretty, and just the colors just pop out really nicely, and it just makes it look so happy for you to want to journal in one of these mini journals with these gorgeous prints. And then over here I've created a belly band with some of my embossed paper as a background and some more of that strip paper that's in the kit. And just made another little just a note somewhere to do some notes. Place that in there. And I did zigzag stitch the journal cover. I don't know if you can see that, but I did run a zigzag stitch all around the cover. So that is my little mini journal, which I just love. That's the back. It's just such a cute little compact journal. So these are my projects for part of my design team for Shabby Art Boutique. Had a lot of fun making all of these fun projects, and I hope this will give you some inspiration. You can also join Shabby Art Boutique's Facebook group, which is a private group, and you can also head in there and have a look at all of the gorgeous projects from all of Kerryanne's members that have made all the projects using her kits in there as well. And I just hope you enjoyed this project share, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.